Hey everyone, today we're checking out the brand new Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold, now available through Boost Mobile. It's Google's latest foldable, packed with high-end specs, smart AI features, and a premium design. Let's see what it offers and if it's worth the price. Design and display. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold looks sleek and feels premium. When folded, it's compact. Unfold it and you've got an 8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2076 by 2152. The outer screen measures 6.4 inches, perfect for quick use when folded. Both screens support up to 120 Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling. The device is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and has an IP68 water and dust rating, giving it some peace of mind against the elements. Performance and storage. Inside, it runs on the Google Tensor G5 chip with 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The phone comes with Android version 16 out of the box and offers 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth version 6, and NFC for contactless payments. Camera setup. The rear triple camera system includes a 48-megapixel main lens, a 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto with up to 5 times optical zoom and 20 times super res zoom. On the front, there's a 10-megapixel selfie camera that captures sharp and natural photos. Battery and charging. Powering everything is a 5015 mAh battery, supporting 45-watt fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging. Battery life easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. Boost Mobile deal. Boost Mobile lists the Pixel 10 Pro Fold for $1,799.99. To qualify for the deal, you'll need the $60 unlimited premium plan. Financing is available at 0% APR for 36 months for qualified buyers. And right now, Boost is offering 1 free year of service when you buy this phone. Extras and protection. Each purchase includes a 1-year Google AI Pro trial, 6 months of Fitbit Premium, and 3 months of YouTube Premium. You can also add Boost Protect for coverage that includes $29 screen repairs, accidental damage, theft protection, and tech support. Final thoughts. The Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold brings flagship power, excellent cameras, and a foldable design that turns your phone into a mini tablet. It's pricey, but the free year of service and financing make it more manageable. If you want cutting-edge tech and Google's best hardware, this foldable definitely delivers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Would you pick up the Pixel 10 Pro Fold or stick with a regular flagship?